Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This big walnut trunk looks just like piece of raw nature, but today I am going to turn it into something beautiful and useful. So watch the video until the end and let's see what it can become. So carving process is finished. As you can see, we made it in two floor, here and there. For the snacks, fruit, you can use both. Now we are going for the sanding. For the sanding, I am starting from 60, 120, 180 and 240. I think it's taking about 2 hours minimum, and after that we are going for the oil. So let's see how it will be. So I think sanding is finished, as you can see. Now we are going for the oil. For the oil, I am using hardtop oil, Borma Wax. It is German brand and it is safe food, and it is very much good for the rustic wooden and platter like this, because we want to use for the food or a snack or something else. So you have to use safe oil. This color, it is dark one, walnut color we are putting. So let's see how will be. So here it is, final result. As you can see, from one wooden we brought this to floor decoration. You can use here for the fruit, as you can see how it is deep. Here also it is deep, and you can use some snack or something else. Please write in the comments if you have it, for what you are using as a decoration or for putting some fruit inside. Look how beautiful is here, and it is final result. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel for the next video. See you later.